Years ago, the history department did more than just teach to pass the students. They brought racing to campus. With nothing more than plastic cars and tracks, competition roared like V8 engines. With Dr.Wiecki, it was brought back on campus, and just like days past, toy cars raced around plastic circles. People from all over campus came to view the spectacle of racers pushing their cars to the brink of being spun out. And overall, it was a pretty fun event that everyone enjoyed. So in the famous words of Kevin James, "Start your engine!"
Yeah, but speed goes too slow.